everybody, it's me, Armand, and wrapping up our three-part series is Land Freaks. And the three-part series is here at Joshua Park. So, first up, since we're in a desert, we're going to talk about camels. There are two types, dromedaries, Camelus dromedarius, who can get from 1.8 to 2.2 meters as a male, and as female, 1.7 to 1.9 meters. They only have one hump, and people think that they store water in there, but they actually store fat. There's a big difference. And they have special eyebrows that prevent sand from coming in, and their lips are specially shaped to grasp on to food. The Bactrian camel, can be found in Mongolia and China. Sometimes when it gets cold in the deserts and there's snow, they'll sometimes even consume snow as an energy source. But if they eat too much, it'll be fatal. They can weigh up to 1,000 pounds. Their scientific name is Camelus Bactrian, and they can get up to like 3 to 2 meters, yeah. Next up, we have the chameleons. Sometimes they're found in the desert, but mostly in tropical lands of Africa, Asia, including Sri Lanka and some other places higher up. And yeah, that's where they're found. They actually change color to express their mood. And their eyes are a special thing called binocular. Our eyes are monocular. We can only see one thing at a time. They can see in different directions. They have a prehensile tail, and they walk like this. Like that. And their tongue is actually longer than their body length. That's insane, right? And it's coated with sticky stuff. It's like a sticky saliva that allows them, the prey, not to escape. Then they just chew on it slowly. They're the only lizards known to chew. And sometimes in the desert, when food is scarce, they'll even cannibalize their own children, which basically means eat their kids. That's pretty sad. Next we have another lizard, the Gila monster, Heloderma suspectum, who can get from 13.7 inches to 22.1 inches. And they have another friend, their cousin, Heloderma horridum, the Mexican beaded lizard. Both are one of the 3 venomous lizards. The other is the Komodo dragon, which we'll view in season 2. The Gila monster can go into many different colorations and is found in the southern United States and even a bit here in California, all down to those desert arid lands of Mexico. Sometimes there are even animals called kangaroo rats. Kangaroo rats are they're called kangaroo rats because they're rats that hop like kangaroos. There's another kangaroo called a rat kangaroo, and they're both this rat-sized. They're just named that for different reasons. Then there's the praying mantis. They can see in lots, and they can see in 3D, and that may not seem special, but it's actually really cool. They have these legs that with spines, they shoot out forward. Yeah, they're really cool animals. And to conclude, we have the javelina, a pig, also known as the collared peccary, found in Arizona and a bit of Central America. They're fascinating animals, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to learn more about these animals, go search on Google or ask some people you might know. And finally, our bonus animal. the kitty hognose snake. Basically, they'll actually play dead when a predator comes by, and they'll even cover themselves in their own dung, which is pretty gross, to mask their smell and make them smell very disgusting and make the predator revolted. And they even have inner teeth that just like the moray eel, but these are spikes that shove their prey, which can be toads, back in, because toads can inflate their size, and they're also kind of immune to some of their venom. Now, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and see you later. We have the opossum. The opossum has poor eyesight but excellent smell and excellent hearing, a prehensile tail, and is one of the only 2 marsupials not found in Australia, at the Virginia opossum. There are other opossums in Australia, but the Virginia opossum is found in the southeastern portion of the United States. And sometimes they'll play dead and they'll actually go into a trance. A lot of predators like fresh prey, so they'll just go nah, it's dead, it's rotting, it's bad for you. And there aren't very many scavengers, but then they're in a trance, and finally they wake up later. They're fascinating creatures, and I hope you enjoy them.